Attention all kitchen lovers. From game-changing food prep tools to high-tech cooking gadgets, we've rounded up the ultimate must-haves to level up your kitchen. You won't believe how much easier these will make your life. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing finds and check out the links below in the description for all the products. This is the 6-in-1 vacuum sealer machine, your ultimate kitchen assistant. With 75 kPa precision suction, it locks in freshness up to 8 eyes longer. The digital timer ensures perfect results, while moist and dry modes handle everything from meats to snacks. Plus, the built-in cutter lets you customize bag sizes with ease. Compact, powerful, and easy to clean, seal the deal on freshness today. This is the FoodSaver Preserve and Marinate Vacuum Container. Keep food fresh longer with an airtight vacuum seal. Just turn the valve and connect your handheld sealer. Need to marinate fast? Switch to marinate mode and get the job done in minutes. Nestable, stackable, and ultra-durable, these crystal-clear, stain-resistant containers are built for daily use. Plus, the vacuum indicator lets you know when it's sealed to perfection. Freshness locked. This is the Briefton's 5-blade vegetable spiralizer. Turn your veggies into delicious, healthy creations with ease. Featuring 5 ultra-sharp Japanese blades, this powerhouse spiralizes, slices, and ribbons everything from zucchini to butternut squash. The extra-large suction pad keeps it stable, and the blade caddy keeps things safe. Plus, you get 4 exclusive recipe ebooks for endless inspiration. Stronger, sharper, better. It's time to spiralize like a pro. This is the Lead-Op electric salt and pepper grinder set. One-handed operation means effortless seasoning. Just press a button, adjust the coarseness to your taste, and enjoy over 250 grinds on a single USB charge. The warm LED light adds precision and ambiance, while the large transparent design means fewer refills. Perfect for the kitchen, restaurant, or even outdoor cooking. Upgrade your spice game with this sleek, rechargeable grinder set. This is the GANIZA food processor, your ultimate kitchen assistant. With 2 8-cup bowls, glass for veggies, stainless steel for meats, it keeps food prep hygienic and hassle-free. The 450-watt full copper motor powers through meats, nuts, frozen fruit, and more. 2 speeds, bi-level stainless steel blades, and automatic safety stop make it powerful and safe. Whether you're chopping onions or making guacamole, GANIZA makes it effortless. This is the ultimate egg frying pan. With 4 nonstick cups, you can cook perfect eggs, pancakes, or omelets all at once, saving time and effort. The flat lid locks in flavor, while the food-grade coating keeps cooking healthy and hassle-free. Works on all stovetops, but keep it low heat for the best results. Plus, easy cleanup, just wipe and go. Includes a silicone spatula and brush for the perfect breakfast experience. This is the OLIXIS portable ice maker. Get 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. With a 26.5-pound daily capacity, you'll never run out of ice. Choose small or large cubes, perfect for chilled drinks, seafood, or cocktails. The self-cleaning function keeps your ice fresh, while the compact design with a carry handle makes it perfect for home, office, RVs, or parties. Plus, whisper-quiet operation, so the only thing you hear is cheers. This is the ultimate 3-in-1 burger press. Make mini sliders, classic patties, or stuffed burgers, all with one tool. Just press, fill, and seal for perfectly shaped burgers every time. The non-stick BPA-free design ensures easy release without the mess. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and comes with 100 patty papers for hassle-free grilling. The perfect gift for burger lovers, because homemade burgers should be effortless and delicious. This is the ultimate measuring spoon set. Built from heavy-duty stainless steel, these spoons are rust-proof, durable, and made to last. The strong magnetic design keeps them neatly stacked for easy storage, no more fumbling with rings. Dual-sided ends let you measure spices and liquids effortlessly, while the included leveler ensures perfect accuracy every time. Dishwasher safe and designed for precision, this is the only set you'll ever need for baking, cooking, or even measuring medicine. This is the ultimate fridge organization solution. With 10 stackable bins, you can maximize space and keep your fridge tidy and fresh. The drain tray design prevents moisture buildup, extending the life of your fruits and veggies. Made from durable, BPA-free PT, these clear containers let you easily see what's inside. 3 convenient sizes fit perfectly in your fridge, freezer, or pantry. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organized, fresher food. This is the ultimate 3-in-1 French fry cutter. With 3 interchangeable blades, you can slice perfect fries, wedges, and diced veggies in seconds. Made with razor-sharp stainless steel, it cuts through potatoes and more effortlessly. Plus, the bonus blade organizer keeps your kitchen neat. Cleanup a breeze. It's dishwasher safe and comes with a cleaning brush. And for safety, we've got you covered with a protective glove. Slice smarter, prep faster, and enjoy perfectly cut fries every time. This is the Eurolux Premium Electric Citrus Juicer. Powered by a whisper-quiet yet ultra-strong 120-watt motor, it delivers maximum juice with minimal effort. Just press the soft grip handle and let the automatic one-touch operation do the rest. The built-in filter removes seeds and pulp, giving you pure, smooth juice every time. Plus, the universal cone fits any citrus fruit, no swapping needed. Made with sleek stainless steel, it's durable, stylish, and easy to clean. Fresh juice effortlessly, every single time. This is the ultimate honey dispenser. No more sticky messes. Just press the trigger, and smooth golden honey flows instantly. The no-drip design makes it perfect for kids and adults alike. Made from durable glass with a sleek chrome lid, it's stylish, sturdy, and easy to clean. Plus, the included stand keeps your counters clean. Ideal for honey, syrup, and more, this 8-ounce jar is a must-have for every kitchen. Sweeten your mornings without the mess. This is the multifunction electronic timer. Whether you're cooking, studying, working, or exercising, this compact timer keeps you on track. With an easy-to-read LCD screen and loud, clear alarm, you'll never miss a beat. The built-in stand, magnet, and hanging hole make it super versatile. Stick it on the fridge, place it on a desk, or hang it up. Durable, lightweight, and available in 4 fun colors, it's your perfect time management tool. This is the House Again Tea Infuser. Featuring an extra-fine micron mesh, it keeps tea leaves in and dregs out. Made from 304 stainless steel, it's rust-resistant, easy to clean, and flavor-neutral. The 4.7-inch extended chain with an S-hook fits mugs, teapots, and mason jars. Plus, it comes with a drip tray. No mess, no stress. Perfect for loose tea, spices, or coffee. This is a must-have for tea lovers. This is the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. With a sharp, rotating stainless steel blade, it chops veggies, herbs, and nuts into uniform pieces, effortlessly. The comfortable knob reduces strain, while the catcher cup includes measurement markings for easy prep. Perfect for salads, salsas, stir-fries, and more. This is the Full-Star 7-in-1 Mandoline Slicer. With 49 cutting options, it slices, chops, and grates effortlessly. The stainless steel blades handle potatoes, onions, and more like a pro. A catch tray keeps meal prep mess-free, and bonus safety accessories protect your hands. Upgrade your kitchen with precision and ease. This is the ultimate stainless steel potato masher. Heavy-duty, rust-proof, and mirror-polished for a sleek look. The ergonomic handle makes mashing effortless, and it's dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Sturdy, stylish, and built to last. Upgrade your kitchen today. This is the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker. Cook up to 7 eggs, soft, medium, or hard-boiled, perfectly every time. Just add water, press a button, and let the auto shut-off do the rest. Fast, easy, and mess-free. Plus, it's compact for small kitchens and dorms. Get yours today and make breakfast egg-citing. This is the comfy stainless steel electric kettle. Boil 1.7 liters of water in just 5 to 7 minutes with 1500-watt fast heating. Auto shut-off and boil dry protection keep it safe, while the cool touch handle and pop-up lid make pouring a breeze. Durable, BPA-free, and easy to clean, perfect for coffee, tea, and more. That's a wrap on these amazing kitchen gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome finds. And check out the links in the description to grab yours today. See you in the next one.